Hey guys, this is Prateek from 91 Mobiles, and today we have a new smartphone from Vivo, namely the Vivo V9. So let's quickly unbox the smartphone and I'll give you my first impressions on the same. So guys, as you can see, the Vivo V9 comes packaged in a white cardboard box. Let's see what we get inside. So guys, the first thing you'll notice is you'll get this compartment which houses a transparent protective case along with some documentation and a SIM ejector tool. So let me just place that to the side for now. Up next, you'll get the Vivo V9 itself. We'll take a closer look at the smartphone in a minute. So guys, next up, you'll get a micro USB cable, as you can see, followed by a pair of in-ear type earphones and a standard wall charger. So guys, that's pretty much it for the contents of the box. Now let's take a closer look at the Vivo V9 itself. So guys, in terms of the design, the Vivo V9 has been constructed out of plastic, but the device feels really good in the hand. As you can see, the smartphone has a curvy back which fits really well in the palm of my hands, and I'm impressed with the smartphone's weight distribution too. So guys, the back has a glossy finish and it looks like it's a bit of a fingerprint magnet too. As you can see, it has accumulated quite a lot of smudges in the brief time we unboxed it. So guys, if you do want to reduce the amount of smudges that the smartphone attracts, Vivo has bundled a transparent case as we showcased you earlier. Now guys, the display is the key highlight of the smartphone, and as you can see, it does come with a notch similar to the iPhone X. However, I quite like the display of the device so far, and it has good viewing angles and it has very good brightness levels too. Let me just demonstrate that for you. So as you can see, the display gets really bright, so you shouldn't really have any problem operating the smartphone under bright sunlight. So guys, before I forget, the display is a 6.3-inch IPS panel and it has a resolution of Full HD+. So now let me give you a brief overview of the smartphone's physical components. So towards the right side, you'll get the volume rockers as well as the power button. Towards the left side, you'll find a slot for the hybrid SIM tray. At the bottom of the smartphone, you'll find the speaker grill, a micro USB port to charge the device, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And towards the back of the smartphone, you'll find the fingerprint sensor and the dual camera module along with the LED flash unit. So guys, the fingerprint sensor on most Vivo phones are really fast, and the same is the case with the V9. As you can see, it unlocks the smartphone really quickly. So guys, now let's talk about the core specifications of the Vivo V9. So guys, the Vivo V9 is powered by a Snapdragon 626 processor which works alongside 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. So the 626 chip is the successor to the 625 processor which we have seen on many smartphones, and we expect the Vivo V9 to have really good battery life too, because the 625 was a battery efficient processor and the successor should also be a similarly battery efficient processor. So guys, in terms of performance, I'm not seeing any lag so far. As you can see, apps open up really quickly and there's really no the multitasking is fluid too. But we will be giving you an in-depth analysis of the smartphone's performance in a full review, so stay tuned for that. So guys, for optics, the Vivo V9 comes with a pair of 16MP and 5MP sensors at the back which get their own dedicated LED flash module. And for selfies, you'll get a 24MP camera which coincidentally also comes with face unlock feature. So in terms of quality, I can tell you that the selfie camera of the smartphone takes some impressive selfies. However, for an in-depth analysis of the smartphone's camera, you'll have to wait for a full review. So guys, the Vivo V9 ships with a 3260 mAh battery, which coupled with the battery efficient processor should give you some decent battery life. And the smartphone runs Android Oreo with a skin of Funtouch OS 4.0 on top. Now we aren't sure of the smartphone's pricing, however, we will update you on the same as soon as we have more information. Now guys, as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and this is Prateek from 91 Mobile signing off.